let's discuss one interesting topic. So far, we discussed that AP has many terms, common difference, and it goes infinity or sometimes it not. So there are two APs, finite APs and infinite. But now we want to find this sum of the terms. Remember, sum and terms, that is going to come again and again, and you need to differentiate between them. Most of the times in exams, this kind of questions are asked where sum and term are given together. Relation is given. We'll discuss the problems. You'll get an idea. Okay, so what I'm talking about, first of all, let me tell you one story. So there was one guy, Carl Friedrich Gauss, in around 1800. So he was studying in school and his teacher asked him to solve a question, and he solved in 5 seconds. So teacher got very irritated how it happened. So let's discuss it. It's really very beautiful concept, and from that point onward the concept of AP started. So teacher gave him to do addition of numbers from 1 to 100. This was the question. You need to find the sum of 1 to 100. You can even do on your own, and you should get in the, I think, 5 to 10 seconds. If you can get it, then you got the way how to do it with the very simple trick rather than adding each term one by one. Okay, I hope you might have been successful. Good. Let's discuss how he did it. So what he did, first of all, he has written all the numbers like this, okay, in the ascending order. Then he has written in the reverse manner, descending order. What he did, see, he has started here 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97, then here till 1. Okay, so now try to add them. In each case you are going to get answer as 101. Simple. You are going to get answer as 101. You can even do the addition. Okay, so here 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101, and here as well 101. So how many times are you going to get 101? First of all, interesting. Okay, so 101 is the answer I am getting. I am going to multiply with how many times I am going to get it. Simple. I am going to get, see, 1 to 100 times, right? So 101 multiplied by 100 times I am going to get it. Now observe one more thing. This is not our final answer. Teacher has asked to solve only 1 to 100 one time, but we have written 2 times. See, this is 1 time, this is 2 times. So if I want only 1 time, I need to divide by 2, right? So if I solve this, that is my sum from number 1 to 100. Let's do it. 2 1s are and 50s are. So here if I multiply 505, and let me put this 0 over here. So 5050 is the answer. So this is how he solved this question. Very nice, very simple trick over here. Not to just add it, he added the numbers but in the different way with the logic. So the concept behind getting the, from this point onward, it started the concept of arithmetic progression. Now what we are going to do, we are also going to find the sum up to particular terms. Like I want to find the sum till 10 terms only, till 15 terms only, till 100 terms only. So this is how we are going to do from this session onwards. So we need formula for it. How to find the term? We learn the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now how to find this sum till particular number? If I talk about, suppose I want to find the sum till 4th term. So what will I get the answer if I use the formula? I will be getting the answer 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this is 5 and this is also 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Simple. So if I use this formula, I am going to get the direct answer as 10. Let's check it. So Sn means sum of n terms. Then n number of terms, a First term we know very well, a and d is going to remain as it is, like in the formula of an, same. The only difference we are going to get is Sn. S means sum, it denotes sum. N means for up to that particular term only. So let's use this formula and verify that are we getting the same 5050 or not. Okay, so for that we will be needing the first term. So I am taking this as my AP. So first term of the AP, which is A, is equal to 1. D, you can see it is also 1. N is equal to what? I want to find sum till 100 term. Okay, so let's substitute the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 and bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S value of n is 100, so I will be getting till 100 term. So 100 by 2 into 2 into a means 1 plus n means 100 minus 1, d means 1. So 100 over 2, I am not doing cancellation. Wait, why am I not doing it? So 2 plus 100 minus 1, 99, 99 into 1, 99 is equal to 100 multiplied by 99 into 2, 99 plus 2, that will give you 101 over 2. Now you can see the numbers are same, 101 into 100 by 2, 100 into 101 by 2. Ignore the order, commutative, multiplication is commutative. So we are also going to get the same answer, 5050. So we are going to use this formula to find the sum for up to particular term. Let's recall the concept. Formula we learn, sum of the first m terms of an AP. So we are going to use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember, there is 2a over here extra. In previous formula of an there was only a, but here it is 2a and there is n by 2 extra, because we are counting 2 times, so we need to divide, we need to count only 1 time. Remember this logic, this is really good logic that person used, and you can use that as well, but condition is there over here that it should be continuous. We cannot use for any AP, right? So this is the concept of finding sum for the particular term of AP. Let's solve few problems based on the formula of Sn. Let's start with the very simple one. Find the sum of the following AP: 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So all informations are provided basically. What do we need? We need value of a, we have it, first term. Common difference, we can find and subtract. Number of terms, that is 10. Apply the formula and get the answer. Simple. Start solving. Let's solve. First term, a is equal to 2. Common difference, d is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5, and up to how many terms? 10. So let's solve. Let's write the formula, which is Sn is equal to n by 2 and in bracket 2a. I told you 2a, it is 2a, not only a, into n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the values here. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 and in bracket, what is the first term? 2 plus 10 minus 1. What is the value of d? 5. Be careful while you substitute the values. Don't substitute wrong values. So 2 1s are and 5s are. So 5 here and 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 5s are 45. So here, what are we going to get? 4 plus 45. 5 into 4 plus 45, that will give you 49. Let's multiply and get the answer. 5 9s are 45, so 5 here, 4 carry over, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, that will give you 24. So what is my final answer? 244. This is a very simple sum that we discussed. We have all the values ready with us. Get the formula, substitute and get your answer. Let's discuss one more question related to decimals. Very important, right? We discussed normal case with decimal with fraction. So let's start the sum. Find the sum of the following AP, which is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to infinity, 200 terms. So here again all informations are given very clearly. So let's start solving. You can solve on your own and get the answer, then match it. So value of A, which is 0.6, value of D. Now see 1.7 minus 0.6. While you do subtraction of decimal, be careful. 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6, 1 point as it is, and 1 minus 0, 1. So what's the common difference? 1.1. Then value of n, which is 100. Simple. Now apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, a bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the values. As 100 will be there, 100 over 2 and 2 into bracket. What's the value of A, which is 0.6, value of n, which is 100 minus 1, value of D 1.1. So here 50 will be there, and here 0.6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. Now see, understand the logic here of the decimal multiplication. We know the multiplication, 2 6 are 12, multiplication fact, which is 12. Now there is a one decimal over here, one place is there after decimal, so here should be one place, so skip one number and here, so 1.2 is the answer. 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. so I need to multiply these two numbers. Let's do it. So first I will be multiplying without decimal. 99 into 1, 9 1s are 9, 9 and 9 18, 18 and 1, 9 1s are 9, 1, 1. So that's 9 and 1 will give you 10. So 1089. But there is a one decimal in 1.1. So I need to skip one place. From right side, remember from right side, don't remove from left side. It will become very small number. So here it will be 108.9. So here 50 and 1.2 as it is plus 108.9. So I need to do addition. So let's do it. Here 108.9. Remember, decimal below decimal. First write decimal, then write the values. 2 on right side and 1 on left side. I am going to do addition. 9 and 2, 11, 1, 1 carry over, 8 and 2, that will 0 and 1 carry over, 1, 1 point. So 110.1. So 50 multiply by 110.1. Now again I need to multiply, but remember there is a 10, so multiply without 0 and get the answer. So let's multiply without 0. So multiply without 0 and without decimal as well. So 1101 into 5. So 5 ones are 5, 0, 5, 5. First of all, okay, now there are two conditions we are doing over here. Putting decimal and putting the 0 over here as well. So first of all you need to put 0, then put the decimal. Remember, first I am going to put 0, then I am going to put the decimal. So what is decimal here? Only one place. So after one place only I am going to put decimal. Very important step. If you put decimal first and 0 after, your answer will be 550.5. That's incorrect. Remember, first you put 0, then you put the decimal. So what is my final answer? As 100 is equal to 5, 5 and 0, 5. That's my answer. 5505 is my sum of 100 terms for this AP. Let's discuss one more question with fractions. AP is given and we need to find the sum of 11 terms. Very simple. What we need all these values. We use the formula, substitute the values and simplify and get the answer. But one thing over here, we need to be careful with the fractions. Rest we can do it. Method is going to remain same, but we need to be careful with the simplification. Let's start. First term, that will be A. So A is equal to 1 over 15. Very simple. Let's find the value of D. Value of D, that's 1 over 12 minus 1 over 15. Now think, what is the LCM of 12 and 15? See, if you want to do orally or mental calculation, you can do it. How to do it? You need to think of a number that is present in table of 12 and also in table of 15 at a time, and that number should be minimum. There can be many number which is common between table of 12 and table of 15, but it should be minimum, right? So the first one is 60, next is I think 120 as well. So I told you we need to take minimum, so we will take LCM as 60. LCM is 60. Here 12 5s are and 15 4s are. Remember carefully. So 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4. So here 5 minus 4 and in denominator 60. So 1 over 60 is the value of D. I have value of A, value of D, and now value of N. So N is equal to given, very straightforward, 11. So we want to find the value of S11. Let's substitute the values. Sn, instead of N, I will be writing what? 11 is equal to N by 2. Instead of N, 11 by 2. Then 2A, what is the value of A? 1 over 15 plus N minus 1. What's the value of N? 11 minus 1. Then D, what's the value of D? 1 over 16, bracket closed. Now let's simplify. 11 by 2 into, here 2 1s are 2, we cannot do cancellation, 2 and 15, so as it is 2 by 15. Then plus here 11 minus 1, that is 10 into 1 by 60. Very simple, right? So let's write, and we can do addition now, I think. So 2 over 15 plus 1 over 6. Now again we need to do LCM. See, if you are not comfortable with the mental calculation, go ahead with the proper rough calculation. Go ahead with that. Now, so if you can find the common number between the table of 15 and table of 6, what is that number? 15 2s are 30 and 6 5s are 30, right? So what's the LCM? LCM is 30. Done. So I will be multiplying with 2 over here and multiplying with 5. So 11 by 2, and here 2 2s are 4 plus 5 1s are 5, and denominator, what's the LCM? 30. Simple. Let's simplify further. 11 by 2 and 4 plus 5, what's the answer? 9, and 30 as it is. So let's do cancellation. 3 3s are 3, 10s are. So 11 3s are 33, 2 10s are 20. That's my answer. Let's repeat the steps. Steps are going to remain same as we have discussed in previous question. What we need to be careful is about the simplification. How you simplify, how you get the value of D, correct LCM, correct subtraction, correct signs, here also correct cancellation, then correct LCM, then correct cancellation will give you the correct answer of the question.